Comfort. A blanket can provide comfort on a cold night. Curiosity. Children have a lot of curiosity about the world. Knowledge. Practical knowledge is very important in real life. Kindness. He treated everyone with kindness and respect. Beauty. She likes the beauty of the sunset. Loyalty. The dog showed loyalty to its owner. Freedom. The bird flew away to enjoy its freedom. Communication. We use phones for communication every day. Safety. Fire safety is very important in every home. Creativity. You can show your creativity through drawing and painting. Education. Every child should have the right to free education. Care. It is important to take care of our grandparents. Friendship. A strong friendship makes life much easier. Excitement. I feel a lot of excitement about my birthday party. Satisfaction. Helping others gives me a feeling of satisfaction. Happiness. Family and friends bring me a lot of happiness. Balance. It is important to keep your balance when you ride a bike. Confidence. You should have confidence in yourself. Time. I don't have enough time to finish my lunch. Progress. I'm making good progress with my English lessons. Connection. Reading books helps you find a deeper connection with different cultures. Security. You should change your password for better security. Hope. We must never lose hope, even when things are hard. Joy. Her face was full of joy on her wedding day. Relief. I felt a sense of relief after I finished the big test. Strength. Exercise helps you build muscle strength. Flow. Regular exercise improves the flow of blood throughout your body. Growth. The company is planning for future growth. Journey. We enjoyed the journey more than actual destination. Responsibility. I have a lot of responsibility at my new job. Discipline. The teacher maintains discipline in the classroom. Fun. Learning English can be a lot of fun if you use games. Trade. Trade between the two countries has increased this year. Teamwork. Good teamwork makes the job much easier. Attention. Please give me your attention for a moment. Success. Hard work is key to success. Honor. The school held a ceremony to honor the top students. Pride. Having a sense of pride in your culture can give you a strong identity. Patriotism. He showed his patriotism by joining the army. Expression. She had a happy expression on her face. Information. I found all the information I needed on the website. Memory. That songs bring back a happy memory. Permission. She gave us permission to go ahead. Opportunity. You should take every opportunity to practice speaking English. Direction. Which direction should I drive to find the station. Warning. There is a warning sign on the gate that says keep out. Protection. The law provides protection for all citizens. Anger. He struggled to control his anger. Warmth. She is known for the warmth of her smile. Vision. The channel's vision to help every student learn English.